Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Patreon. We are drawing Kyrie Irving, point guard for the Dallas Mavericks. He was the first pick overall to the Cleveland Cavaliers back in 2011, won Rookie of the Year in 2012, an NBA champion, an all-star, all-NBA superstar player. There's really too much to mention for Kyrie Irving. I think we all know who Kyrie Irving is. He's arguably the best ball handler, the best dribbler in the NBA. So here we go, let's get started. Grab your dark marker, find the center of your page up and down and the center across, and we'll do Kyrie Irving's big cartoon head up top right here. So in this area, we're gonna start with the jaw. We'll go down to a point, over, up, and round it off. Okay, we'll do some ears right now. Kind of some bigger, longer ears, like so. We're gonna bump out the side of the head, kind of a bump, a rounded bump, a rounded bump. Now let's connect that shape. We'll go around, big arch on top, and connect. The slower we draw, the easier it is to make a good connection. So let's draw a neck really quick here. Down, slanted in, down, slanted in. We're gonna round it off. See a round instead of a V, we rounded that one off. Let's do the jersey shoulders. 1, 2, the shoulders kind of slant away. And we're gonna round off those arms, the armpit area, and slant down to a waist. Come straight across. We're gonna now slant up to the other armpit. Looking good. Okay, let's do the shorts really quick. We'll do kind of a bulge out, straight across, a V up in the middle, straight across, come down from that waist and connect, and some legs, down, down, and arch, down, down, and arch. So our basketball player legs are a little skinnier than our football characters. Basketball players are a little thinner, more sleek than football players typically, so skinnier legs. So let's do the shoes. We got a bump for the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces, 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. We'll bring this big shoe out to the edge and stop. Straight across to the ankle and stop. Curve up to the leg, okay? Bring that shoe down and stop. Straight across to the other edge of the page. Curve up to the shoelaces and stop. There we go, looking good. So now we're gonna do a big round basketball. Doing a perfect basketball is kind of hard, so see how I move my arm? I kind of slide the bottom of my hand across the paper as I do a circle. So here we go. The basketball shape. Perfect circle is not really possible, so on the side of the basketball we do 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers, and we'll do a thumb as if he's dribbling that ball. Now we're gonna bring his shoulder out, bump, bring this shoulder out, bump, and this arm, this bicep's gonna hide behind that basketball. So here we go. Stop at the basketball. Now let's bring this other shoulder, bump, hide it in the basketball. Now right here, let's do his hand kind of sticking out at us. Here we go. We're gonna do a thumb, finger, 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 and a smaller pinky, bump into the thumb, okay? Do the underarm, do the bicep, do the bicep, and then the arm kind of hides behind that hand. The best we can. All right, looking pretty good. Okay, so let's do a couple of eyes. So draw a straight line. Well, don't draw a straight line, but kind of move your hand, get an imaginary straight line from ear to ear. We're gonna do a couple of ovals for eyes. Okay, we'll do a circle on the inside of the eye. We're gonna leave those white, those are the highlights. Do a small circle on the side. We're gonna leave those white, those will be highlights as well. Do a bump, and leave those white as well. So color in around these shapes the best you can, leaving them white right now. I like to add highlights to the character's eyes. It brings them to life. And really quick, I'm gonna get my light blue marker. Something to add a little life to the character. I color those bottom areas blue or green, or just to I like to say it's the reflection of the stadium lights off of the player's eyes. So now let's do the hairline really quick. We'll go up, out, and up, up, out, and up. Now we're just gonna connect with a straight line, those two. Here we go. Connect the line the best we can. There's the hairline for Kyrie. Kyrie has kind of bushy eyebrows, so we're gonna do an arch, and then this big eyebrow, big arching eyebrow, okay? I'm gonna color those in for now just to show us where the eyebrows are. He's also got a little, we're gonna do some sideways raindrops for his nose, okay? And we're gonna do a down, up to a point. That's the shape of the mouth right now. There's the bottom lip, top. He's got this mustache going on. I'm gonna scribble around the lip there, kind of go down. He's got this big, kind of messy beard going on. So we can scribble those whiskers in. His hair comes down and fills into this beard area. It's okay to scribble the beard because they're whiskers, right? They're messy. There we go. He's got a big beard, so okay. All right, so there's our Kyrie blocked in. I'm gonna get my dark blue, okay? Pointed tip. Now we're gonna draw this down curve into the side, okay? This is gonna be filled in with blue when we do the fast forward. Down to the side, fill that in with blue. Around the neck, comes down to a point, curves up, and rounds out to the shoulder, okay? Let's do the number 2. The number 2 is actually, we're gonna switch. We're gonna go to the shorts. There's a little square and a line that goes down, little square and a line that goes down. Square is gonna be filled in blue. And he's actually got a star right here. If you can do a star shape, I might have to practice that, but there's a Dallas Mavericks star. Do a couple of lines for the shoes. No, we're not drawing Kyrie Irving's shoes. We're just gonna do some generic shoes here. And down, down, down for the shoelaces. Down, down, and curve up for the shoelaces. Now I'm gonna switch really quick. I'm gonna get my light blue, kind of a lighter blue, pointed tip. The number 2 is a lighter blue, believe it or not. So we're gonna go straight across, up, down, and over, and across. Numbers are always difficult, you guys. They're challenging, so good luck. If you need to pause, do it. 2, down. And we'll fill this in with our lighter blue color. So there's a dark blue and then there's this kind of lighter blue. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna color this in. I'm gonna hit fast forward. Thank you guys for drawing with us. Kyrie Irving of the Dallas Mavericks. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Let us know who you'd like to see next. Comment on TikTok, on YouTube in the comments below. Hey, and just to let you know, we've got a new merch shop. Check that out. We'll put the link in the description. And support us on Patreon or buying some merch. We appreciate it. Okay, fast forward now.